Kirk, thanks. 12:17 on the clock. The first lunchtime live of the summer season kicking off 11:30 late tomorrow morning, right through 1:30 in the afternoon. We are going to be dodging some thunderstorms here. The potential for heavy rain is certainly there. Of course, we don't want that to happen. Great food, live music. We're going to do this all the way through the end of September, downtown Kalamazoo in Bronson Park. Okay, let's take it to Cereal City. We got a big weekend, right? We got a parade that starts out at 12 o'clock. Sometimes you got to set up well in advance thereof. 5K stepping forward about 8:30 in the morning, and then the world's largest breakfast table runs from 8 through 12. So encapsulated in all of that is another chance for tropical-like downpours, mid-60s that are laced with humidity. Obviously, the timing, they're not great. We have extended thunderstorms into the latter portions of your Saturday afternoon and cool down Saturday to 72 degrees, also in concert with increasing the probability of rain on Saturday. You know, Saturday alone, we could have more than an inch of rain. One of our primary American models hinting at sort of that end of the day thunderstorm on Sunday. We can't overlook these possibilities, so we're going to toss that into your Sunday. Sunday still stands out as the best part of your weekend. Light green on your screen, that's just sort of the garden variety category for storms. The darker green contour near and south of the toll roads in northern Indiana represents that marginal or 5% odds for damaging wind gusts and large hail. So that's going to stay to our south, and the primary output from our storms, heavy rain or torrential rain. It's at the Lakeshore tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., Kalamazoo at 11 a.m., Battle Creek at 12 o'clock, and sort of in and out of our coverage up until 5 o'clock when we get socked with rain at the Lakeshore. Heavy rain in South Haven, heavy rain in Saugatuck, and I think that's the rhythm of your Friday night. Here we are in the mid-70s, seeing crops of storms. They carry right over through midnight and right into your Saturday morning. I think it is misleading that hour by hour tends to show us dry at the start time of the 5K. Again, other primary American models we look at don't say that. I want to be as honest with you as possible. There are your 80% odds for rain on Saturday, just 30% on Sunday. And that 80 on Sunday is certainly standing out. Let's check out, how about a huge warm-up early next week? You see Omega, right? It's a Greek letter. Anytime you see that in a jet stream pattern, by the way, this is next Monday, that reveals warmth below that ridge. We've got that both Monday and Tuesday. I think someone could hit 90 degrees. Why don't we hit our Live Eye Camera Network? Sun and Cirrus, yeah, we've got them in South Haven. You know, flags barely moving, so a very light wind regime. If you're boating and you're fishing, that's exactly what you want. Kalamazoo Battle Creek International Airport, very smooth on takeoff. If you have the afternoon flight, light variable winds 3 miles per hour, 77. We're right there in South Haven, east winds 6 miles per hour. What did you know? Another 77 in Chicago. Sturgis and Coldwater, yes and yes. Holland and Muskegon, yes and yes. As far as your water temperatures, it really depends on where you are at the Lakeshore. Grand Haven State Park has spiked to 47. We'd like it to spike, obviously, much higher than that. Okay, let's put everything together. 84 degrees, 2 degrees warmer than prior thinking. We've got no problems. If you have the evening baseball game, you're going to be fine. Tonight, we're not going to rule out that daybreak storm. Largely dry, however, 64. And your 7-day forecast, again, that small chance for a storm late Sunday. Now in the mix, odds for storms on Monday are 40%. But if we're going to hit 84 and 86 respectively Monday and Tuesday, neither of those days are washouts.
Get to the beach this afternoon or be real nice to your neighbor with a pool.
Yeah, bring some apps, right?
Oh, you mean food.
As
I was thinking
to
phone
get-
app
oh.
for a minute. I got lost there. I understand now. We've caught up.